And the day has come. I finally got Wish on DVD. As you can see, here it is right here. Finally. So we have Asher, Valentino, Star, and King Magnifico. Yes. Who is ready to have their wish granted? Here's Star. Here's Asher. And we got King Magnifico there. Asher and Valentino. And we got Star. Here's Asher and Star. Valentino and the chickens. And here's Asher here. So let's see what's inside, shall we? Alright. Got this thing, so let's see what's inside. Three, two, one. Cool. So we have Asher and Star. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.